Every single day, your kidneys perform a silent, life-saving mission, filtering around 50 gallons of blood, removing toxins, and keeping your body's fluids and minerals in perfect balance. You can't see it, you can't feel it, yet they work tirelessly, every second, every minute. But then one day, this vital function begins to decline. Your body tries to send out distress signals. Sometimes it's unusual fatigue, a subtle change in your urine, or a dull nagging pain. Yet most of us ignore these signs until it's too late. Kidney disease doesn't strike loudly. It creeps in silently, slowly stealing away your health. And by the time you realize it, you might be facing dialysis or even a transplant. In this video, we'll uncover the 5 earliest warning signs of kidney damage, signs that could save you from a risky future. Watch until the end and protect your health, starting today. 5 foamy urine, small changes in your bathroom habits. Many people think urine only changes when you drink more or less water, but in reality, it can be a mirror reflecting the health of your kidneys. Those silent workers that filter your blood, remove waste, and keep what your body needs. And when your kidneys start to struggle, the first signs often show up in the bathroom. One of the most noticeable changes is the color and appearance of your urine. If you see excessive foam or bubbles in your urine, don't dismiss it. This isn't just harmless froth. It could mean protein is leaking out because the kidney's filters are damaged. Normally, protein should stay in your blood to nourish your body. When it escapes, it's a red flag. Your kidneys may be weakening, but it's not just about foam. The color of your urine speaks volumes about your health. If it's darker than usual, has an unusual odor, or even contains blood, it could mean tiny blood vessels in your kidneys or urinary tract are inflamed or damaged. In some cases, this is an early warning sign of chronic kidney disease or glomerulonephritis. Changes can also appear in how often you urinate. Do you wake up 2 or 3 times at night to go to the bathroom? This can happen when your kidneys lose their ability to concentrate urine, forcing you to pass more. On the other hand, some people produce very little urine, even when drinking enough water, a possible sign of severe kidney decline or urinary tract blockage. The problem is, most of us don't pay attention. We blame it on drinking too much water or the weather. But in reality, these small signs are early warning signals, giving you a chance to detect kidney problems before it's too late. Remember, kidney disease often doesn't cause pain in the early stages. It progresses silently until the filtering function drops dramatically, and by then, treatment becomes much harder and far more expensive. So if you notice foamy urine, unusual color, blood in the urine, or a sudden change in urination habits, don't ignore it. These could be the body's SOS signals calling for help. 4. Edema. Have you ever looked in the mirror in the morning and noticed your eyes seem puffier than usual? Maybe you thought it was because you stayed up late, cried, or had a salty dinner the night before. But if this keeps happening, especially if you also notice swelling in your legs, ankles, or hands, it could be a silent warning from your kidneys. Normally, your kidneys filter your blood and remove excess fluid, sending it out of your body through urine. But when this function weakens, fluid doesn't get cleared out properly. Instead, it builds up in the soft tissues, leading to a condition called edema. The location of the swelling can reveal important clues. Around the eyes, especially the lower eyelids, puffiness is often most noticeable in the morning after hours of lying down, when fluid shifts toward the face. In the ankles, feet, and hands, swelling tends to get worse toward the end of the day, especially if you've been standing or sitting for long periods. In severe cases, fluid can accumulate all over the body, even in the abdomen and lungs, causing heaviness and shortness of breath. The problem is, many people ignore this sign, thinking they just need rest or less salt. Yes, eating salty foods can make swelling worse because sodium causes your body to retain water, but the root cause could be far more serious. Edema caused by kidney problems is different from swelling due to injury or allergies. It often appears gradually, develops slowly, and may come with other changes: foamy urine, changes in urine color, ongoing fatigue, or rising blood pressure. If left unchecked, swelling can be a sign of chronic kidney disease, nephrotic syndrome, or even kidney failure. And once your kidneys are severely damaged, recovery becomes extremely difficult, expensive, and life-altering. So if you often wake up with puffy eyelids or notice your feet and ankles swelling by the end of the day, especially after eating salty food, don't dismiss it. This isn't just about appearance or temporary tiredness. It could be an SOS signal that your body is holding on to fluid because your kidneys are no longer working as they should. In the next part of this video, we'll explain why weak kidneys cause swelling and how to tell kidney-related edema apart from other causes so you can protect your health before the damage becomes irreversible. 3. Persistent fatigue and weakness. Have you ever felt exhausted all day, even after a full night's sleep? It's not laziness. It's not a lack of motivation. Sometimes it's because your body literally doesn't have enough energy to function. Many people assume they're just overworked, but in reality, the problem could start with your kidneys. Healthy kidneys don't just filter blood, they also act as a hormone factory, producing a crucial hormone called erythropoietin, or EPO. This hormone signals your bone marrow to make red blood cells, the delivery trucks that carry oxygen to every single cell in your body. But when your kidneys weaken, EPO production drops. That means your body produces fewer red blood cells, leading to anemia. And without enough red blood cells, your body can't get the oxygen it needs. The result? Persistent fatigue, even from small tasks. Trouble focusing, a constant mental fog. Shortness of breath, even during light activity. This isn't a sign that you just need more rest. It's a warning that your body is starved of oxygen because your kidneys can no longer do their job properly. For people with chronic kidney disease, anemia often lingers and worsens over time. Many patients eventually need synthetic EPO injections or even regular blood transfusions to maintain healthy red blood cell levels. The danger is, if you don't know the cause and simply push through the fatigue, the condition will quietly wear down your body, affecting other organs as well. So, if you find yourself constantly tired for no clear reason, especially if you also notice pale skin, mental fog, or shortness of breath from minimal effort, it's time to get your kidney function and red blood cell count checked. It might be the first step to uncovering the real cause and protecting your health before it's too late. 4. Itchy skin and muscle cramps. Have you ever felt an itch so intense that you can't sleep, even though your skin looks perfectly fine? Or woken up in the middle of the night with a sudden searing muscle cramp that locks your calf so tight it feels like it might tear? Many people assume it's just dry skin, an allergy, or lack of exercise. But in reality, these can be serious warning signs that your kidneys are in trouble. When your kidneys are healthy, they filter out phosphate and other waste products from your blood. But when kidney function declines, phosphate begins to build up, along with toxins. Your skin pays the price, leading to persistent, sometimes unbearable itching, often worse at night. Some patients scratch until they break the skin, losing sleep and spiraling into constant fatigue. And those muscle cramps? When your kidneys weaken, they can't properly regulate electrolytes like calcium, potassium, and sodium. This imbalance disrupts nerve signals and muscle contractions, triggering painful cramps, often at night or when you're at rest. For some, it's just the calf. For others, the cramps spread to the hands, arms, or even the back. The danger is, both itching and muscle cramps are symptoms most people ignore or try to treat with creams, supplements, or massage, without addressing the real cause. If they're linked to chronic kidney disease or kidney failure, delaying a proper checkup can speed up the damage and lead to life-threatening complications. So if you often have unexplained nighttime itching or frequent, painful cramps, don't just treat the symptoms. Get your kidney function and electrolyte levels checked. Catching the problem early could make all the difference and protect your health for the long run. 5. Bad breath, metallic taste, and loss of appetite. Have you ever noticed a strange metallic taste in your mouth, even right after brushing your teeth? Or perhaps your breath has taken on a sharp, ammonia-like odor that makes you hesitant to speak too close to others. This isn't just a dental hygiene issue. It could be a warning signal from deep inside your body. When your kidneys are healthy, they remove urea and other waste products from your blood. But when kidney function begins to decline, urea and toxins start to build up, affecting not only your internal organs but also your sense of taste and smell. The result? That persistent metallic taste, food that suddenly seems bland or unappetizing, and in some cases, a complete loss of appetite. Over time, this leads to weight loss and malnutrition, which in turn accelerates kidney damage, creating a vicious cycle. The less you eat, the weaker your body becomes. The weaker your body, the harder it is for your kidneys to keep up. If you're experiencing unusual changes in taste or smell, along with fatigue and loss of appetite, don't ignore it. This could be your body's urgent call for help, a sign that it's time to get your kidneys checked. 6. Healthcare. These signs can quietly creep in, one by one, or appear all at once. And if you have underlying conditions like diabetes or high blood pressure, your risk of kidney damage multiplies. Don't let your body's natural filter cry for help in silence. Remember, one early checkup today could save you from months of treatment later. Protecting your kidneys means protecting your health and your life. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your loved ones, and subscribe now to help spread awareness and keep your whole family healthy.